Hello, Flutter enthusiasts! Today, we're exploring one of the most versatile and commonly used widgets in Flutter, the Card Widget. The Card Widget is your go-to choice for creating elegant, organized, and visually appealing containers in your Flutter applications. Let's dive in. First things first, what exactly is a card widget in Flutter? A card is a material design container that holds content. It's a versatile and visually appealing way to display information in a structured manner. From simple text cards to complex layouts, the card widget can handle it all. Let's get hands-on and create a basic card. In Flutter, you create a card by using the card widget and populating it with child widgets. This is the foundation for crafting cards in your app. One of the strengths of the card widget is its ability to be styled and customized. You can customize the appearance of your card using properties like elevation, color, and shape. This allows you to match the visual theme of your app. Now, let's explore how to add content to your card. Within the child of the card, you can add various widgets like text, images, buttons, or even other complex layouts. This flexibility makes the card widget suitable for a wide range of use cases. Making your card interactive is a breeze. You can wrap your card with a gesture detector to detect taps and trigger actions, making your UI more dynamic. For advanced scenarios, consider using packages. Packages like animated_card or flip_card can add delightful animations and advanced features to your card widgets. Before we conclude, let's go over some best practices for using card widgets. Maintain consistency in design, use appropriate elevation, and ensure your content is well organized within the card. In conclusion, the card widget in Flutter is a powerful tool for creating organized and visually appealing content containers. By mastering its creation, customization, and advanced techniques, you can elevate the presentation of information in your app. Now that you've unlocked the potential of the card widget, go ahead and craft beautiful, organized interfaces in your Flutter applications. Happy coding! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Happy coding!